Are you a Python programmer looking to run your code in the cloud effortlessly? Or perhaps a machine learning enthusiast wanting to train models without hardware limitations? Let's talk about Google Colab. It's like having your own Jupyter notebook in the cloud, with the added bonus of free GPU and TPU resources. For tasks like training neural networks, Google Colab integrates seamlessly with Google Drive. This means you can save and access your notebooks from anywhere, making collaboration a breeze. Plus, it comes preloaded with popular Python libraries like TensorFlow, PyTorch and Keras, so you can dive right into machine learning and data science projects without setup hassles. Getting started is simple. Just search for Google Colab in your browser. Open a new notebook and you're ready to code. You can rename your notebook, add new code cells, and run your Python code with ease. Whether you're importing libraries like pandas or mounting your Google Drive to access datasets, Colab has you covered. Google Colab also offers real-time collaboration. Share your notebook with a link, and others can see your changes instantly. And for more advanced users, you can switch your runtime to GPU or TPU for faster execution of complex models. So if you haven't tried Google Colab yet, give it a shot. It's a powerful tool that can make your Python programming and machine learning tasks easier and more efficient. Thanks for watching. If this video was helpful, please like and subscribe to our channel for more tips and tutorials. See you next time.